Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm back with entry number 21 to the Pocket Challenge that I'm having on my channel here. And this is from the lovely Karla, who is Casey Creates. Hey Karla! And the link to Karla's channel will be in the description box as well, so please go over. She does the most beautiful work. I just saw one of her fairy wall hangings she did, and oh my goodness, I was just blown away. So beautiful. So you must go over and check out her channel if you're not subbed already. So I cut it open, so I'm going to pull out what she's got in here, and I believe Karla did do a VR, so I did have a little peek, and she's got it wrapped up here. Oh my goodness. Everything smells lovely too. Oh, look at this beautiful lace she's wrapped it up in. Oops. And then she sent this beautiful little postcard for me. And it says, it's not a, oh, it is a card. Okay. It says, "Hello, Kim. Here's my entry for your pocket challenge. I hope you like them. I wish I had a lovely handcrafted card for you. I guess not this time. That's okay. I love this card. I did have fun making the pockets. I'm glad you're on YouTube. I love your channel." Oh, well, I love your channel too, Karla. With special thoughts of you, happy crafting, and hug, Karla, who is Casey Creates on YouTube. And she likes shabby, chic, vintage, boho, vintage rose floral fabric. I'm not sure if you asked for this info. No, you know, that's fine. I like having it because I'm making like a book with everybody's info in it and addresses and stuff. So when I send out Happy Mail, I have it all. So thank you for that. Anyway, it's good to know and have those little notes. Anyway, so let me open up your pockets here and look at this beautiful trim she's added here. Oh my goodness, I love it. This is beautiful. I love gold trim, and I really do not have much of it. So this is like a real treat for me to have something like this. So I really appreciate this, Karla. So thank you so much. Just let me hold that up there so you can see that. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Really pretty. Likely that's vintage, I bet you. It's just beautiful. Thank you, Karla. And I love this tissue paper. Washi tape. Let me save that. Got some plastic here. I'll put it on. Let me just open this up. And I am going to save as much of this tissue as I can because I really love repurposing tissue paper for mixed media and such. So let me save that. And then she's put this here. Where did I put my paper scissors? There they are. Open. There we go. Oh wow, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness, let me move that. Oh, gorgeous. She's made a paper pocket here. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. I love all these flowers you've put on here. And this paper is so pretty. And I love this washi tape. This paper's like, it's like a peach color. And all these pretty flowers on it. Oh my goodness. And I love how you've done the tie here. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the way you did the top of the pocket here. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this, Karla. This is going to be great in a journal. Oh, it's so pretty. I love all these little flowers and the little touch of yellow and the red. It's so summery looking. I just love it. Thank you for that. And she's got this little tiny gimp trim going all the way around it. I bet that's vintage too. It certainly looks it. So thank you for that, Karla. I love it. And then she's got a fabric pocket here done in whites and creams. And oh, that is beautiful. Look at this gorgeous lace she's used. And it's got pearls along here. And there's a couple of different kinds of lace here. And then she's got more gorgeous trim here on the flap and some pearls across here. And then a bling and a little applique, more lace here. Oh, it's just stunning. Look at this. And satin lined on the inside. And there you can see the lace on the inside of the pocket. Oh, it's just beautiful, Karla. Oh, I love it. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. I love it. And then she's done one in a crocheted fabric. This must have been part of a table runner or a doily. And then she's sewn it, and she's used this really pretty vintage fabric here that you can see, and then the burlap, and then she's created another little pocket right here with doilies and the fabric and this gimp trim, and then she's got more of that gimp trim there. And then she's got this really pretty floral green and blue fabric on the inside. I love it. Oh, this is just gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, Karla, these are just gorgeous. And I love the bling you have there and the little trims here on either side. And look at the tiny little button. Oh, and there's the other button. And I will just glue that right back on. No worries. Very tiny little button. So it just came off in travel, but that's okay. No worries. Love the bling. Love it all. Oh, they're just gorgeous, Karla. Thank you so much. And I'm just going to put that inside that little pocket there so I don't lose that button. So there's another look at that one. And then this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Just stunning. And then her paper pocket. My gosh, you guys are all so incredibly talented. Thank you, Karla. I love this card too. Blue and white. I collect blue and white pottery, so you were spot on with that. And then thank you for this beautiful lace that you wrapped it up in. That is much appreciated as well. Thank you for all of this, Karla. Please go over and subscribe to Karla's channel. You can see how talented this lovely lady is. And I will be back soon with another video. Check out the description box for a link to her channel. Bye, guys. Thanks, Karla. Bye for now.